Hello folks, in this video I wanted to talk about an interesting display that I just saw. So it's I think LED or something, LCD, something related displays, but the thing about the display is you can see through it because I think the pixels are kept some distance apart. So let me show it to you. So basically when the pixels don't show any what do you say, light, you can see through it because there's a lot of gap between them, so you can see through it, so it looks like a mirror. So it's like a mirror and a monitor display. So you can see how it's turning transparent, and then now it's all complete. So that is a transparent display where you can actually see through it, right? And you can also see that it can actually show colors really well, especially white. It seems as if there's no mirror in front of it, and so I mean, as if there's nothing in there. There's no mirror, or there's no, what do you say, glass through which you can see through. But then when the display goes off, you can actually see through it, and you can see the dresses and people inside. It's as if like a normal class, and so yeah, I mean, it kind of feels like it's a proper monitor, and then suddenly the monitor is gone, or as if it's a reflection from somewhere else, but it's actually a display. So pretty cool, interesting stuff. Tech marvel, I feel. Not very marvelous, but of course I do like it though. It's a good tech marvel. So that's all I had for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.